Welcome to the Willow plan on the basement. This 3-sided brick home is 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths. You have an owner suite on the main level and you have another owner suite on the second level. You also have a guest suite on the main level. So you got an owner suite and you have a guest suite on the main level, and then 4 additional bedrooms on the upper level. This home has a 3-car garage and it has over an acre-sized lot. I want you to enjoy the rest of the tour, and if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them below. And if you need a private tour, you know what to do. Give me a call. Enjoy the rest of the tour.